For most agencies right now, the AI space feels impossible to keep up with. Every week, there's another breakthrough, another release, another industry-changing announcement. Scroll through YouTube and it feels like everyone's building an AI business overnight and cashing in. You want to get in on that momentum, so you make learning a priority. You dig in, you watch, you read, but by the time you sit down to turn it into something real for your agency, it's already more complex. Another model drop, another tool, another thing you're behind on. It's overwhelming. It's hard to keep up. And to be honest, there's a lot of bullshit to sort through. I'm part of a team at Vendasta, and we work with over 66,000 agencies serving millions of local businesses every day. Based on what we're seeing, something very clear is happening. The agencies actually making money with AI aren't chasing every advancement. They're not trying to become software companies. They're changing what they sell and how they sell it. And that change has nothing to do with chasing tools. But before I show you what that change is, you need to understand something first. The agency model that worked over the last decade is breaking down. AI has now made deliverables look fast and easy. Now, content is faster, setup is easier, outputs are cheaper. My team made a Super Bowl level ad in under a week. 3 people, 1 AI tool, and $200 in credits. 3 years ago, that's a creative agency, a production company, directors, editors, sound design, color grading, easily $300,000 and 3 months of work. And it made me realize something that should terrify most agencies. If all you do is charge time for money to produce deliverables that AI can now create in a week with 3 people and $200, you're in trouble. No wonder your clients are asking, why am I still paying what I used to? I know. That sounds like bad news, but that is not the whole story. The same force that is commoditizing generic work is also creating one of the biggest opportunities we've ever seen for agencies that understand where revenue is moving and how to position themselves on the right side of it. Too many agencies are still selling services that sit too far away from revenue. And when things get uncomfortable, those are the first things clients cancel. What we're seeing instead is a more profitable model emerging. The closer your service is to revenue, the more valuable it becomes and the harder it is to replace. So whether you run an agency or work closely with local businesses, this video is for you. If you are new to the channel, I'm Kendall. As I mentioned, I work with agencies and local businesses at Vendasta and every day see how AI is changing the way they grow. We believe AI shouldn't be reserved for tech insiders or massive budgets. It should make running a small business easier and accessible so you can compete with the big dogs. And the way agencies are doing that today isn't by hiring more people or piling on more tools. It's by using AI agents to take ownership of outcomes that used to fall through the cracks. At Vendasta, we call them AI employees. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 AI employees that are generating the most revenue for agencies right now and what agencies are charging for setup and monthly retainers. These are the numbers we're seeing from tens of thousands of agencies on our platform. The proof is in the pudding. And here's why this model is different from every other way agencies have tried to package AI. Most agencies are still doing project work. A client has a problem, you build something, you send an invoice, and the engagement ends. Maybe they'll come back. Maybe they won't. You're constantly hunting for the next deal just to replace the revenue from the last one. It's exhausting, and it means your income is only ever as stable as your pipeline. What the winning agencies have figured out is that AI employees flip that entire model because you're not building something and handing it over, you're running something on behalf of the client every day, every week, every month. Answering their leads, protecting their reputation, recovering their missed revenue, taking ownership of outcomes that used to be impossible at scale. And as long as those things are working, the client keeps paying. That's recurring revenue. And recurring revenue changes everything about how an agency operates. So let's walk through exactly what that looks like. And when you see these numbers, you'll understand why agencies that sell outcomes are growing and why clients will pay more for them. Also, be sure to like this video so you can help us get it in front of more eyes. It really helps the algorithm and it's free. Let's start with a problem every local business on the planet has. Plumbers, dentists, law firms, you name it, they're all missing calls after hours. And this is why it's the fastest first win for any agency to own. In fact, most small businesses miss between 27% and 62% of their inbound calls, depending on the industry. And 85% of callers won't try again if you don't answer the first time. They just call your competitor. Think about that for a second. To mitigate this leak for their clients, agencies are deploying what we call an AI receptionist, an AI voice agent that answers phone calls, qualifies leads, answers questions, and books appointments directly into the client's calendar. It captures contact info, adds it to the CRM, all without human intervention. As an agency, you're telling clients you'll never miss another lead, and you'll turn more of them into booked appointments without adding staff. That's an outcome tied directly to revenue, which makes it very hard to cancel. Let's take a typical service business with an average customer value of $500. They're missing 50 calls a month, and 85% of the time, they don't call the customer back. 50 missed calls times $500 each times 85% is $21,250 in lost revenue per month.
Show me the money.
That's $255,000 of revenue per year walking out the door. Even capturing half of those missed opportunities adds over $125,000 to a business's annual revenue. So when you pitch this to a client, say for a couple $1,000s a month, you're pitching them a solution that operates 24/7 and saves them over $20,000 in revenue every month. When you present it like that, it's an easy yes. And because we're getting tons of requests for it, we have a new video coming that'll show you how to build an AI voice receptionist without any technical experience. No expensive tools and no coding. So hit subscribe and watch out for that video. If you've been watching videos about AI agents and don't know where to start, that video is gonna be for you. Okay. This next one, I still can't believe businesses put up with this problem. But for local businesses like healthcare, home services, salons, and professional services, no-shows are one of the biggest hidden revenue leaks in the business. Empty slots don't just cost time, they break utilization, disrupt staffing, and make forecasting unreliable. Most businesses send text reminders, but people swipe those away without reading them. The average no-show rate across service businesses is 10 to 15%. For a practice doing 200 appointments per month at $150 average, 20 to 30 no-shows per month can amount to $3,000 to $4,500 in lost revenue monthly, which means $36,000 to $54,000 per year in empty slots. And if you can even just recover half of that for a client, that means you've earned them $18,000 to $27,000 annually without adding a single new customer. Agencies deploy AI employees to send appointment confirmation and reminder texts. If someone can't make it, the employee reschedules them, which retains that revenue. New bookings and appointment changes are updated directly in the calendar without staff touching anything. So now you're the hero, telling a frustrated business owner, "We'll fill your calendar and stop the no-shows." So every slot generates revenue instead of sitting empty. Depending on complexity, agencies are selling these anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000 per setup, especially when qualification, support, and sales workflows are bundled together. From an agency standpoint, this is the perfect expansion offer. It builds directly on the receptionist, doesn't require a brand new system, and ties you much deeper into the client's day-to-day operations, so they can't afford to operate without you. Now, think about what's happening on most business websites right now. The average website converts between 2 and 5% of visitors. That means 95 to 98 out of every 100 people who land on a site leave without taking action. No call, no form fill, no contact, just gone. And here's the thing, most of those visitors never return. Our data shows us that 70 to 96% of website visitors who leave before converting are lost forever. Let's say we have a small business with 1,000 website visitors and a 2% conversion rate. If we put their average customer value at $1,500, we can safely say their current revenue from web traffic is 1,000 times 2% times $1,500 equals $30,000 a month. Now, add an AI web chat and lead capture solution that engages visitors in real time and bumps conversion, even to just 4%, that's $60,000 a month. That's another $30,000 every month and $360,000 every year from traffic they're already paying for. The AI web chat is the net that catches them before they go. And I'm not talking about a generic chatbot you see on most websites that does absolutely nothing. Not the ones that ask 3 questions and then say, "Someone will be in touch." That's not what this is. I'm talking about a live funnel, an AI employee trained on your client's actual business, their services, their pricing, their FAQs, their brand voice. And when someone lands on the site, it doesn't just collect their name and email. It has a real conversation. It qualifies them, it guides them, it captures intent. And everything feeds directly into the CRM. Contact info, conversation summary, what they were asking about, and a summary of where they are in the decision process. This is all possible with Vendasta's AI Chat Receptionist. And one of our partners added this AI Chat Receptionist to one of their clients' websites, which is an auction company that sells personal property and real estate. One person visited the website at 11 o'clock at night and typed into the chat, "I'm looking for a home with a pond." The AI Chat Receptionist knew their current listings, found a match, and recommended it. The customer responded that they were hoping for a little more land, and the receptionist knew they had another listing coming available in a few weeks with more land, so it suggested that one too and even gave the link. And guess what? That person ended up buying the second property. The agency owner called the business the next morning to make sure they'd seen the notification. They already had seen it and were already following up. That sale was probably worth $20,000 to $30,000 in commission from a conversation that happened at 11 p.m. with no human involved and would never have happened if the AI Chat Receptionist wasn't there. The agencies winning with this are positioning it as a lead capture infrastructure rather than a simple tool. And when you frame it that way, when you walk the business owner through the numbers, 1,400 people visited their website last month, 1,200 of them were first-time visitors, and they only closed one account with how they're currently running, and that this lead capture, that is the AI Chat Receptionist, can capture and engage all of those missed opportunities, the question isn't, do we need this? The question is, how did we go so long without it? By the way, if you want to show your clients exactly what they're leaving on the table, we built a free AI employee ROI calculator that does all of that for you. You plug in the client's weekly lead volume, their average deal size, current conversion rate, and it shows you the projected annual revenue lift, hours saved, and conversion improvements they can expect. It's based on real-world benchmarks, not guesswork. You can use it on a sales call to show the math in real time, or send the results to prospects beforehand so they can come to the call already understanding the opportunity. I've dropped a link to the calculator in the description. It's completely free, so go check it out. Here's how this all translates to agency revenue. You're not selling AI or tools. You're selling outcomes tied directly to revenue, and that changes everything about how you price, position, and retain clients. A typical AI employee engagement looks like this. Agencies often charge a setup fee up front, so anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 depending on the scope to configure, integrate, train, and launch the AI employee. That covers your build time and gets the client live. Then you charge a monthly retainer to run, manage it, and monitor it. Basically, make sure it's working and running smoothly. That retainer is where the real business is built because it's guaranteed monthly revenue. A single AI employee runs anywhere between $500 to $1,500 a month. One client, 3 services, that's $1,500 to $4,500 a month in recurring revenue from a single relationship. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You don't need 100 clients to make it worth your while. You only need 10. 10 local businesses, each running 2 or 3 AI employees, gets you $15,000 to $45,000 a month in recurring revenue. Predictable. Every month without rebuilding from scratch every time. Add the setup fees and even 5 new clients a month, you're adding $7,500 to $25,000 on top of your recurring revenue base just from onboarding. And here's the part that separates this from traditional agency retainers. The reason most agencies lose clients is that the value of what they're delivering is invisible. A client can't see whether their SEO is working. They can't feel whether their content is moving the needle. So when budgets tighten, those retainers are the first thing to go. AI employees don't have that problem because every single month, you're handing the client a report that says, we answered 143 calls after hours last month and booked 47 appointments that would have gone to a competitor. Your average review rating went from 4.1 to 4.6 stars. At your current revenue, that's worth an estimated $30,000 a year in new customers. That's why retention in this model is completely different from traditional agency work. You're not fighting to justify your existence every quarter. You're showing up with proof every month. And if this video helped you think differently about how to sell AI services, like this video and hit subscribe. We're sharing what's actually working for agencies and local businesses every week. And I will see you in the next one.